This is the new Boland's.
Oh, hey guys, how you doing? Today I want to talk about the things I do in my office after hours. So, YouTube is always up there. I like to watch Pat the Landlord Bandit. You probably can't see, but he just did a wheelie on his Exmark. I also like to check the stock market. I kind of leave my laptop over there. One of the things that I also like to do after hours is find ways to save money. I bought this mouse here, and it's got a lot of features on it, you know, how fast it is and whatnot, but I didn't want to spend the 40 bucks on it. So Best Buy had sent me a coupon, you know, a gift card for $25 off. So I needed a mouse for the office. 25 bucks off. I paid $15.89 for it. That's one way to save money. But I also want to bring up, if you notice, I copied this receipt onto this piece of paper. So, you know, you copy it and then I staple it to it. So taxes are coming up. Each month I copy my receipt, put it on paper. I'll scan this and put it into the computer software that I choose, which is QuickBooks, so that I can run reports at the end of the year. So, next thing that I like to do when I'm sitting in my office is I always like to bill my customers by the first of the month for many reasons. That way I'm always on time. First of the month, you get billed. Second, I've noticed I do have people that have houses, and when I bill on the first, I seem to get my money within 5 to 10 days, where if you bill in the middle of the month or, you know, closer to the end, I'm waiting a half a month for my money. So, I also, why I'm here is when I pay my insurance, I pay it once a year, and I save roughly between $600 and $700 every single year by paying that bill one time. So that's more money. If you watch my retirement video, this is kind of some of the things that I do so that I'm able to save money and make that retirement a little bit easier. So picking the computer software, I chose QuickBooks because I can run reports, put my expenses in, bill customers. You can pay people through QuickBooks. I email my customers. They have the option to mail me a check, pay online, in which I wouldn't know how they pay. I just know that they pay, and that's all that I really care about. Also, I do a drug test before my insurance company. They allow a 20% discount between paying yearly and a drug test. So I do a drug test once a year, and I pay, I think it's like $100, and I send that to them, so it also helps save the money. When I'm in here, I like to work on sales and techniques on what I'm going to do to get more customers. Rather put a business card on someone's door, go knock on a door or two every day, email a couple businesses, you know, corporations or something, mail them a contract. But over here, you know, it's January now, and these are the receipts for January. I haven't really bought much. These are all of my signed contracts for 2018, in which none of these are in the computer. I'll put these in the computer so I have details, and then I'll file them away. Then to keep track of the jobs that I've done, which again, it's only snowed a few times, so this is smaller as well. My mileage and the jobs that I've given service, I always write down in the truck is here. Down here I keep my personal stuff, you know, social media, videos that I want to watch, sometimes notes about the stock market and whatnot. So another thing that I like to do is paying my bills ahead, so I don't have to stress, did I pay that bill, did I not pay it? You can set reminders, but if you just pay your bills ahead 1 month, you know, you can do more, but 1 month, and that way you can relax a little bit. If you forget to do it, you don't have to worry about late fees and things that are going on. So when I'm sitting here, you know, I got this light here. It's another one I got on sale for 20 bucks. I like a very well lighted workspace. So I didn't like how the light was coming in my eyes. Put a little aluminum foil on it. So if the kids want to play the Xbox while I'm doing work, the light is not glaring off the TV and blinding them, and it's not blinding me. So this aluminum foil keeps the light here. Just a little technique for 20 bucks, you know, that you could do as well if you're looking for that. It's not really necessary, but what I like. And so these are just things that I do in the office when I'm bored. I have a bicycle to work my legs that I ride every now and then, you know, maybe an hour or so a day, just to keep my legs moving if I do sit here for long periods of time. I try to keep a small desk to keep the mess down. You know, I had a bigger desk and I noticed that I threw a lot of things on it, and then you got to clean it up. And if you just keep real small, keep it real simple, you know, keyboard and your phones, you can just push out of the way and write on your paperwork and stuff. If you want it, you can pull it back out. But guys, I want to hear from you. You know, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. What do you guys do after hours? You know, we own businesses, and you don't just go home and do nothing. I know that as you own your own business, there's a lot of things you have to do compared to maybe somebody that works at a job where they can go home and go party. Maybe you guys do too, I don't know, but billing the customers, cashing the checks, balancing the checkbook, you know, bids. I mean, there's just so much with a business. What do you guys do? Leave in the comments below. Let me know. I'm just kind of anxious to see if this is maybe some of the things that you guys do. As you can see, I love my executive chair. I love to sit here and just rock back and forth and watch YouTube videos. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. What I do behind, you know, the scenes after hours when I'm just sitting around. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, you have a marvelous day.